everybody, my name is Kristen. I'm an independent sales representative with Avon, and I wanted to show you a quick smoky eye with this Avon True Color Quad in Steel Blue. I'm going to take this number 1 shade on a fluffy brush, and I'm going to sweep this all over my lid as a base for my eyeshadows. We're going to repeat this on the same eye. This just helps have a even skin tone as a base. So I'm going to switch to this fluffy brush. This is a lot, not as dense as the other one, and we're going to take this number 2 shade. I'm going to put this right in my crease, and this is going to be like our transition shade. So I'm just using windshield wiper motions, taking it from the outer corner to the inner corner, blending it out with that other fluffy brush that we use for the number 1 eyeshadow. Just repeating until I like the color, and then doing the same thing on the other eye. We want to create a blended, seamless transition in between the colors and to give it a more smoked out effect. I'm going to take this flat brush to pack on the number 3 eyeshadow all over my lid. Applying this all over the lid. This color is similar to the number 2 shade, just has a little less shimmer in it. And I'm going to take that same fluffy brush and just blend everything together. Again, we want it very seamless so that we have a very smoked out effect. I'm just going to wipe off the fallout underneath my eyes with this duo fiber brush. So I'm going to use the same brush, and I'm going to take the number 4 shade. I'm going to put it right on the outer corner of my eye. Putting it on the outer corner of my eye just creates more of an elongated effect or a cat eye effect, just to add a little more dimension to the overall look. And again, using that same brush as before, we use the number 1 shadow on to blend everything together. So I'm going to take this pencil, like elongated pencil brush, and I'm going to take that number 3 shadow, and we are going to put it underneath the bottom lash line to create some depth with the bottom lashes and just tie everything together. To me, putting the eyeshadow on the lower lash line just kind of makes everything more cohesive, and it kind of, like I said, brings it all together. This is an Avon True Color Glimmer Stick in the shade Blackest Black, and I'm going to put this on my upper lash line. So I'm just applying it very lightly, and it doesn't have to be perfect, because what we are going to do is smudge it out with that brush that we used on the bottom lash line. This defines the lashes and also gives you that smoky effect. And again, repeating to the other eye. I love these glimmer sticks. They're very creamy, but once they set, they stay in place all day long. Doing a little dance so that we can put some mascara on these lashes to finish up this eye look. This is the Avon waterproof mascara. I think it's like wipe off waterproof mascara. I like this wand. It's a very traditional wand, but it seems to separate my lashes, and the great thing about this mascara is it doesn't get flaky throughout the day. And then again, just repeating to the other eye. So this is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if there is anything you see in this video, I will have it linked down below to my direct store for you to purchase. Thank you so much for your time, and have a wonderful rest of your day. Thanks, guys.